Today we're at the SAP Center going backstage with the San Jose Sharks. Be sure to come hungry because this arena has tons of international food options. We opt for the shark-themed sushi roll. First, we get a tour of the ground level, including the glass seats, and then this is how the sharks enter the ice. Looking up, we see the giant shark head that drops from the ceiling, and the electrical lines used to power the lighting and sound of the NHL game. And watch out for sharks! Literally, there's a 2,000-gallon aquarium in the BMW VIP lounge. NHL aren't the only games you can catch here, you can also see shows. Next, we check out the premium seating that gives you a bird's eye view of the game. Then watch out for heights as we head to the tippity tops of the SAP Arena. This is where the news correspondents broadcast the game. Are there any Sharks fans watching? Comment "Go Sharks" down below. And if that couldn't get any cooler, I'm heading out there on the ice. This fan experience ends with the Zamboni ride. Catch me on the Jumbotron.